Lagoa do Gavião, located in the ancient circuit of Lençóis Maranhenses, is a picturesque haven that offers a unique, secluded, off-the-beaten-path experience. The landscape, featuring fine sand dunes and crystal clear waters, provides one of the most beautiful and isolated views. The lagoons are at their most magnificent between May and August after the rainy season, providing one of the most stunning, magnificent views, ensuring an unforgettable experience. It is a masterpiece. The area's breathtaking natural scenery is a major draw, especially during the peak season when the lagoons are full, making it perfect for swimming and relaxation. The lagoons reach their peak levels between May and August, following the rainy season, ensuring ideal conditions. Access is via four-wheel drive vehicles through guided tours from Barrinhas or the village of Athens. We spend time walking along the rim of lagoons, swimming, splashing, rolling along the sandy slopes, swinging, taking in the breathtaking natural scenery. It's a perfect location to create and make the best moments of lifetime. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, Lagoa do Gavião is a must-visit destination. This slice of paradise is located in Brazil.